Yo! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a motherfucking video. This video we're doing another episode of Random Games. This one is called Skatebird. I'm presuming what we do is skate as a bird. See what this motherfucking is. I'll try this out, so here we go. Damn, my motherfucker is sexy. What do I do? Oh. What's this scheme? Oh. Haha. What the fuck? Yo, this is way better than True Skate. Oh, yo, I'm good. I'm like, Tony Hawk. That's Tony Hawk. Is that just a screen? Well, that didn't work. Oh, 360 twist. Oh, see that we did it. How do I turn? Jesus Christ. Oh. What did that do? I just hold this and get points. Can you fly somewhere? Where are you gonna fly? Oh, I did a Mindy. Don't know what that fucking is, but yeah. It's actually a good game, you know. Do a quick ollie and a thingamajiggy. Oh, how do you do backflip? Yeah, that's a chill motherfucking game. Damn. I got that golden chain. Oh, another Mindy. But it's getting real life, I bet this would make a lot more sense. Oh, what did I do? Grimblick. Oh, that's sexual abuse. What's a flip trick? Oh. Ain't nobody being me. Except me. Oh, I died. Oh, fuck you. Oh, flippy doo. Ow! Oh, that was dead. That was the most chill motherfucking game ever. Oh, and I'm off. It's kind of dead if I'm honest. How do I move? I can pole grind. That didn't feel right saying that. Should I be saying that? I don't even know. Oh, I can do the floating thing. Can I fly? Well, wait, can I double jump? I can double jump. Now to go here. Oh, I did something that I didn't mean to. Ooh, can I go up? No, I cannot. Fuck. Yeah, what damn? Fuck no, yeah, no. It's hard. How do I get up there? I know how to get up there, I'm just not very good at it. What the fuck am I doing? Sweeve. Wee boing. Ooh, fuck you. My session score is 8,200. I'm presuming that's bad. And mob. Oh, 8,700. I'll quit this game at 20,000. Ooh, almost fucked it. And I fucked credit. Oh, I'm good at. Why? Oh my god. Oh, all good from me, you know. Family lamb. Oh, go fuck yourself. You froggy little bitch. It's not froggy. Is that Star Wars? Is it Star Wars? Nah, it's not Star Wars. Is it Star Wars? I don't think Star Wars, is it? No, it's not Star Wars. It's the Racha. Oh, fuck you. And jump. Fuck. No, that'd be sick if I landed it. And I crashed. Fuck. Can I get up there? Okay, I presume not. Oh my god. Oh, got it. Oh my god. Ooh. Fuck. Yeah, I'm actually pretty good at it. Wait, can I do a backflip? Oh, what I was trying to do. Fuck. Weave. Let's see if I can do a backflip. I cannot. Man, I crashed. Fuck you. Can I jump over the chair? No, I cannot. No, I should have the fucking leg. Holy. What was that? Who did that? Oh, but you know, I've got my 20 grand. You know, I'll get it at 30. And that'll be in the video.
Feathers appear as it grows older.
Come on.
But the brightly colored feathers do not
You
appear until
fucking wrong.
the parent bird often bringing rabbits or squirrels to the nest. But when food is scarce, they may attack other birds.
Yes, we may attack other fucking birds. Mate, name one bird this size that will attack another bird.
A case of hawk eat hawk.
Alright, well, that is my 30 grand. Let's do one more trick to end the video. Boom! And I died. Well, that's the end of this motherfucking video. Check the game out if you'd like. If not, well, I don't care. Have fun, and, well, that's about it. Go fuck yourself.